So let's turn around, babe.
This really was just my idea because I wanted to show off the back of my. Y'all see this?
No, they can't. Now they can. Congratulations, babe. Rode is sending you a check for $15,000 just for that. Yep, they are. Yep, they are.
Calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Ain't who you talking to. Just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you.
In 2019, Rode released the Rode Wireless Go. I should know, I was all over that thing. Some of my most successful videos were about the Rode Wireless Go, and Rode showed me love from the very get-go. And today they released their sequel to the Wireless Go, the Wireless Go 2. And we got it right here. And you're listening to it right now, baby. Ow! The Rode Wireless Go 2 is a 2-transmitter, 1-receiver wireless microphone system. We have the same form factor as the original Wireless Go, which is great, small, compact, light. Everything is paired fresh out the box. All you gotta do is charge it up and turn it on and you're good to go. The receiver has a new screen on it with a lot more information for us. You have your battery levels, your signal strength, transmitters 1 and 2 levels, and your output levels into the camera. We got a mute option on the receiver. All you have to do is choose which transmitter you want to mute with this button right here. You could mute both of them if you want to. This next part makes me pretty happy. Just like the Rode Video Mic NTG, the Rode Wireless Go 2 can be used as a USB mic. So here's your options, pretty much everything. You can connect this to a DSLR mirrorless type of pro level camera, like the one that we're shooting on now. You can connect this to an iPhone using, where is it? The SC15 cable, which is a USB-C to Lightning cable. So iPhone, Android device, iPad, whatever other tablets are out there that are on iPads, you can most likely connect to them too. You could also connect to a Windows computer, a Mac computer. You can connect to everything with this damn microphone. We got new puffs too, and these are the best puffs of all. These are the best little puffy puffs of all puffs. Out of any of the wireless microphones I reviewed on this channel, they all had their own little version of how they put their little windscreen on top of their wireless microphone. And this is absolutely, by far, the best way. Thank you, Rode. You perfected it. Just stick with this style moving forward and focus your time on something else. Game over. These are great. I know we're just talking about wind puffs here, but if you are me and you've seen all the comments of people wanting to order newer wind puffs or trying to figure out how to get theirs to stay on better, or whatever the case is, you'll understand that these are important, because if you lose these, you have to go through the trouble of trying to find replacements. These will not get lost, well, at least not on the shoot. Probably the most secure place to store these is on the microphone, because they twist and lock in there, and they ain't going nowhere. We also have a mono and a stereo mode that you could switch between just holding down the 2 buttons on the bottom of the receiver. Rode says 650 feet of line of sight distance between the transmitters and receivers, meaning you can get as far, possibly, as 650 feet, as long as there's really nothing blocking the line of sight between your microphone and your camera, basically. Now, I didn't get a chance to test no 650 feet, nor would I have any way of, how would I do that? How would I test 650 feet and no 650 feet? I gotta bring 19 tape measures out with me. Check, check. Are we on? Are we rolling? Give me a mic check, babe.
Mic check.
We're rolling. All right, so we are in stereo mode, so both Vanessa and I are on our own separate channel. Babe, talk at the same time as me, like you usually do every time I say something.
What are you talking about every single time you talking and I be talking? What are you talking about?
What's that?
You
See,
know,
see,
we had
both
some
talk at the
hibachi
same
last
exact
night for the
time,
first
and
time.
because we're on
This
separate
new spot that
tracks,
was around us.
I could just
we didn't think it was gonna be that good, but that shit was
still gonna hear her
fire.
because she's a little close to me, but I could turn her track off and adjust
we're definitely
our
gonna
volume
keep
separately.
probably eat that.
Okay, that's enough. All right, let's do a little quick distance test. We're just gonna walk backwards. So what are we like?
This is like 25 feet.
Yeah, we'll
25 feet.
Between 20 and 25 feet.
No,
give or
25.
Take. All right. How do we sound? Mic check. Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Can we get a mic check?
I mean, you always sound crispy with that voice.
Get over it. Oh, thank you, baby. You so sweet and pretty. Let's walk backwards more. Walk back.
This is like 45 feet.
45 feet? All right,
Yeah,
I agree with
45.
that one. So if you guys can hear us from here, everything is all gravy. Rode says 6 to 7 hours of battery life, and you charge all 3 pieces via USB-C, and they give you 3 USB-C cables in the box. We got a new pouch here. It's exactly pretty much like the first one, only it's longer to fit. They're giving you extra room in here, obviously, because we have an extra piece. Now it's 2 transmitters, but they're also leaving space in here to fit your wind puffs and your cables and whatever else you might need. So that's nice. At the end of the day, even though the Wireless Go 2 looks a whole lot like the original Rode Wireless Go, there is a big difference.
Yeah, they tryna at me, I'm running the race. I gotta pick up the pace. They throwing shade, but I'm gone. You gotta keep it a buck to my face. Taking that gang out of space. It's best if you stay in your place. They hating on all of my songs. I don't know what can I say. They throwing shots, but I'm saved by His grace. God is the shoot, I'm the lace. Running around, got me stoned.